So first off, you need to go to this website, mindsumo.com. And before we proceed, I'm going to show you my earnings on this website without doing the hard work because it's done by a free software that I'm gonna show you in this video. So keep watching the video because you're about to be blown away. MindSumo helps you crowdsource breakthrough ideas quickly and affordably from creative problem solvers. Share your ideas and earn cash. Now when you get to the homepage of this website, you're going to see a lot of famous companies who are using this website to solve their problems and make good products. And these companies can pay you more than $1,000 for every answer you write on this website. But don't worry, you don't have to write anything, and you don't have to be knowledgeable about these topics. You just need to choose any questions you like and make money without doing the hard work. Let me show you how using a brand new account. Now watch carefully because the sign-up process is quite tricky. So just click on login or sign up right here. And fill out all the basic info about yourself. Enter your first and last name. Enter your location. Enter your email address and password. So now our first step is done. Now you need to click on this button. I'm a problem solver. Just scroll down. Here you can choose any questions you like. Let me just pick this one. It's going to pay me $1,600. I want to write a content for. What kind of products and services do you want available at grocery store? Now fill all the given options, fields and questions. Now don't worry, you don't have to write anything. I am going to show you where you can get 100% plagiarism, free contents. So for that, head over to this website, AexCreation. AexCreation is a free content writing software that will write the whole article for you. So just come to this website, sign up, and this is going to be your dashboard. There are a lot of options that you can choose, but for this specific strategy, choose this one, Article Writer. Now just copy this from MindSumo and paste it here inside the topic box and click on Generate Ideas. As you can see, within a few seconds, the content has been created. To check this, go to the website. Duplichecker Article Writer. It is 100% plagiarism free. Paste your content here to check either the content is plagiarism free or not. Now you can see the percentage of plagiarism. Now fill the details on MindSumo website. If you are a first user, you have to write it yourself. I have filled the content and submit. This is how you can earn easily.